So I want to start today by talking about how artificial estrogen chemicals physically impact males. And I want to end by talking about how these artificial chemicals, these estrogens, impact the male brain and motivation. Let's start with this paper from 2003. This goes way back to 2003. And the National Chinese Journal of Andrology published a paper called Effects of Nonylphenol on the Reproductive System of Male Animals. Nonylphenol. That's an alkyl phenol. It's in this alkyl phenol class. So we find this in soaps, in hand soaps, in all kinds of soaps in America. Nonylphenol. Effects on the reproductive system of male animals. They found that estrogenic effects made of nonylphenols, these alkyl phenol chemicals, may do harm to the reproductive systems of male fish, amphibians, and mammals. So let's move forward to 2011 in the Journal of Steroid Biochemistry and Molecular Biology. Got a paper here called Demasculinization and Feminization of Male Gonads by Atrazine. That's that herbicide, second most used herbicide in North America. Consistent effects across vertebrate classes. It doesn't just happen in fish. It doesn't just happen in turtles.
Google confirms they are turning the frogs gay. I couldn't believe that gay frogs were such big news, so I opened up Healthy Living blog to find out more. They had an article titled, "What do gay frogs tell us about our water and ourselves?" They say they find themselves puzzled by recent scientific findings about the influence of endocrine disruptors on sexual behavior in male South African claw frogs. After being exposed in a laboratory environment to EPA-approved levels of atrazine, the second most commonly used herbicide in the US, as well as a fairly common endocrine disruptor found in water supplies, these male frogs underwent significant change in behavior. The frogs exposed to the atrazine, as opposed to the control group who weren't, started exhibiting distinct homosexual behavior. Not only did they engage in homosexual sex with one another, as the attending scientist Tyrone Hayes, PhD, said of the frogs, their behavior became feminized. To be clear, they didn't just behave like females, but actually started producing eggs, which, fertilized by normal male frogs, produced male offspring. In general, if you go to an environment that's contaminated with atrazine, you find more hermaphroditic or abnormally developed males, and this hormone or endocrine disruptor, like others, poses significant risk to all populations,